In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create custom subscriber fields on Mailerlite. Custom fields let you store exactly the kind of information you care about, so you can personalize campaigns and segment your audience more effectively. Think details like a subscriber's preferred product line, content interests, or onboarding status, anything that goes beyond the default name and email. Start by opening your Mailerlite dashboard. This is the home base where you'll see your account overview and navigation. From here, head to the subscribers section. This area manages all the people on your list, and it's where their data fields live. Inside subscribers, look for the fields option. This is where default fields are listed and where you can add your own. It's helpful to glance at what already exists so you don't duplicate a field unintentionally. Defaults usually cover essentials like name, email, and time zone, but custom fields are what make your data truly fit your business. Now choose Create Field. You're making a new data container that will appear on subscriber profiles and can be used in forms, segments, and email personalization. Type in a clear descriptive field name. Aim for something short, specific, and consistent with your naming style. Interest, plan, or favorite product, for example. Avoid sensitive or unnecessary personal data and think ahead about how you'll use this in filters and merge tags. Consistent naming makes reporting and automation easier later. Next, select a type. The type defines what kind of data this field accepts and how it behaves in filters. You'll see common options like text, number, and date. Text is ideal for words or short phrases, number is best for quantities or scores, and date is perfect for birthdays, renewal dates, or milestones. For this walkthrough, choose text. Click text. This gives you a flexible, freeform field that's great for labels like industry or interest. If you expect a very specific format, like numeric-only values or exact dates, you'd choose number or date instead, but text keeps things simple and versatile for many use cases. Finish by selecting Create. Your new custom field is now saved and will appear in your fields list. From this point on, it becomes available to store data for each subscriber, and you can reference it in personalization tokens and audience filters. If you ever need to refine the label or adjust how you use it, you can update the field later without losing existing data. That's it, your custom subscriber field is ready. With just a few clicks, you've set the foundation for smarter segmentation and more personal emails.